Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. So today's topic is process of user authentication and access control in VDRs and Google Cloud. So user authentication and access control in virtual data room VDRs and Google Cloud involves a specific process to ensure secure and unauthorized access to data resources. Here's an overview of authentication and access control process in both environments. So, firstly, virtual data room VDRs. User authentication. VDRs typically employ strong user authentication mechanism to verify identity of user accessing the platform. Second is user role and permission. VDRs offer granular control over user roles and permissions. Administrators can assign a specific role to user, defining their access level and capabilities within the VDR. Number three, document level access. VDRs allows administrator to set access control at document or folder level. Number four, activity logging and auditing. VDRs maintain detailed logs of user activities within the platform. This includes capturing user logins, document access, downloads, and other actions. So now it's for Google Clouds. Number one, identify and access management. Google Cloud employs IAM to manage user identities and control access cloud resources. IAM allows administrators to create and manage user assigned role and permission and control access at fine-grained level. Number two, role-based access control. Google Cloud's IAM utilized RBAC principle to grant appropriate permission to user. Rules can be assigned at the project folder and resources level, allowing administrator to define access control on a specific requirement. Number three, service account. Google Clouds provide service account for non-human entities that requires programmatic access to cloud storage. Number four, access control list. Google Cloud Storage, a component of Google Cloud, utilize. Number five, audit login and monitoring.